You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, power passenger seat, power tailgate, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.